In this video, we will discover how to incorporate brain-boosting drinks into your daily routine. By adding these drinks to your diet, you can enhance your cognitive function and improve your overall brain health. Let's get started. Brain-boosting drinks are packed with nutrients that support brain function. They can boost your focus, memory, and concentration. Additionally, these drinks often contain antioxidants that protect brain cells from damage. By including them in your daily routine, you can enjoy these benefits and more. Let's dive deeper. There are various types of brain-boosting drinks you can incorporate into your daily routine. Some popular options include green tea, matcha, turmeric latte, blueberry smoothie, and beetroot juice. Each of these drinks contains specific ingredients that promote brain health. Let's explore them further. Now, let's learn how to make some easy brain-boosting drinks at home. We will share simple recipes for a green tea smoothie, a turmeric latte, and a blueberry antioxidant drink. These recipes are not only delicious but also provide a range of brain-boosting benefits. Get ready to unleash your creativity in the kitchen. To make brain-boosting drinks a part of your daily routine, you can set a designated time for consumption, such as in the morning or before a study session. You can also experiment with different recipes and variations to keep things interesting. Remember to listen to your body and choose drinks that work best for you. Let's make these drinks a regular part of our lives. Incorporating brain-boosting drinks into your daily routine is a simple yet effective way to support your brain health. By adding these drinks to your diet, you can enhance your cognitive function and overall well-being. Cheers to a healthier brain!